Hi, it's Steve Kim with Skyfire, making a video for Luis Camargo. This is how we're going to update this website. The website we're going to update is the dev website, kaizenblack.com/bbcmag. We're going to content from this current website, bbcmag.com, and we're going to what's called the property of the month, and we're going to translate these pages over to the new dev site. Here's how to do it. First, I've already done these pages. So now I'm on to the Pinnacle Condominiums, Chattanooga, Tennessee. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new post. The new post is given the name, which actually I want to spell that all the way out. The Pinnacle Condominiums, Chattanooga, Tennessee. So let's go ahead and click on this magazine. Here is the property of the month. Now what we're going to do first of all, before we take this content and move it, we've got to grab the images off of it first. So grab and drop into a folder here. Just simply grab all the images you see here. Be careful that you grab them the ones, sometimes they look like text, but they're actually graphics. So I'm going to grab graphics, drag and drop them over here. Got one more here. And don't miss this one, that's not a text, that's a graphic. Let's grab that sucker. Let's grab this sucker here. Grab the sucker here. Okay. So now, here's how we build the site. It's pretty simple. Add new post, we're going to add media. First thing we're going to do is we're going to add this image right here. So all we're doing is adding media, dragging and dropping and placing. So I did that. Give it a second here to register. Wait. It is now uploading. You want to choose no link, alignment center, full size, insert a post. There it is. Hit return, new line, hit add media. Now we're adding this bar. Okay, this bar right here, by the way, I want to double check. So it's a little slow here. This is the bar we're adding, okay? If you need to see it a little better, do this. Let's try this out here. Okay, so we're adding this bar next. So, again, we're right here, hit return, add media, add this bar, it uploads, none, center, full size, boom, done. Okay. Now we want to add content below that. So what we're going to do, we're going to grab this content right here. What we're going to do in such a way is we're going to take this 2-column content, make it a 1-column. So first grab this, Control C, go back here, go to your text editor, right underneath the last graphic, add this text. Go back here, grab this text, copy, then paste. There we go. Now, we want to grab this graphic right here, which is, let me get rid of these things I don't reuse. It's this graphic right here. So let's go back to the page and then hit add media, drag and drop the graphic, wait until it hits upload. Try it again. There we go. It could be a little slower. There it is. No link. Full size center. Boom. There we go. Now if you hit the visual, this is how it's looking right now. Not too bad. Okay, start a new line, go back here. Now we have this situation where we have this text and this graphic here. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab this text, okay? We're going to grab it one piece at a time. We're going to go into the text editor, under this image, add this text, go back here, grab this text right here. Actually, with visual editor, I think this will copy over the style. Let's see here. Try that out for a second. No, it didn't work. So text. Boom, there it is. Okay, so now visually you can see the stats right here. You know, vital stats, proper description, those are in bold. So we got to go over here and highlight these guys in bold so they match. Go back here. Greenfield retrofit, that's bold. Number of units, that's bold. So go through the questions. and hit bold on these guys here. Bold. 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 Technology, I know it's bold. These right here are the questions, so make sure this matches. Everything that's bold should be bold in the article. And there should be also spaces in between some of these articles. See, that's a space. So these are all questions that need to be bolded. Bold. Man. So there we go. Let's go and save it just to be safe. Now we got to add this information and this guy here as well too. There's a line. That's an HR no shade. So below all that text we just added, HR no shade. There's a line. Now we're going to grab this here. And paste it there. This graphic right here is right over here. Okay. We're going to add that graph to the bottom of this thing. Put a center, none, full size. Okay. So now we've copied that over. Now we have this stuff left over right here, this content. So watch how I do this. I'm first transferring over just the content right now, the text. Okay. So I'm pretty much done now with the content, or with the text at least. All right. Now visually, we look at this thing again. You'll see that it's looking closer to what it should be, except that down here, where it says val stats, go back here. Okay, there's val stats right here. Oops. There's val stats. There's an HR no shade above that. So above val stats, it should be. It's a little tricky, but right about here should be HR no shade. Okay, right here we want to add that graphic, which is this graphic right here, which is right here. So all we're doing is we're putting a graphic, we're lining it to the left. So we add the media, add the graphic. In this case, align to the left. And there it is. Scroll down a little bit. Now there are some graphics right around here. This graphic right here needs to be added to this section. Right here, insert media, drag and drop, line on the left, no link, insert, done. Then who handles billing? That actually is right here. Guess what? That needs to have a line right above it. So there, you need to add that line. So what to do is, who handles billing? Let's go to Visual Text Editor, Control F, find this. There it is. Let's add that HR no shade. Okay? So now we have a line there where it says who handles billing. You have these two graphics. So what we're going to do is we're going to put these graphics on the far right and just have them stack on top of each other. So from here, we want to add this graphic, which is this guy right here. So take that, add media, add this graphic, upload, align to the right this time. Doesn't really matter, you can align it left or right, but okay, now my computer's being a little slow. Hold on one second. Okay, we're back. So I hope this makes sense now. So basically, this post we created, the Pinnacle Condominiums, was a copy of this post. This post, the difference is that this, well, I should say page, was done with a table format using 2 columns here. And this doesn't work for our needs because we want this page to, when you resize it, to be easy to read. In this case, it's a fixed size. Can't down for mobile. So if you look at the page that I created here, this is a copy of the same page, but look how it's scaled down to fit this space. What's really nice is that all this right here is going to be able to be scaled down and easily read no matter what kind of device is accessing this website. So it's important that we take these 2 column rows or 2 column paragraphs and change it to 1 column. You see, so that's all we're doing is just translating. So you can look at this link and at this link and compare the 2. All I want you to do is go through the site and just continue to build these pages. The next one will be Yotel, New York. And here you would just go in there and you would create a new post. Okay, hope this answers any questions. Of course, give me a call when you go over this. After you review this, we can talk a little more detail. Thanks, Luis. Talk to you later.